Well, the back and forth temps that we're seeing, guess what? It's creating a perfect environment for respiratory illnesses to spread. Statewide cases of the flu are up 18%, according to the State Department of Health and Human Services. WFMY News 2's Taylor Leverett joins us to talk about what experts are seeing in the triad and how parents can protect kids.
Well, last week it was bird flu you had to worry about. Now experts are warning of a rise of flu cases. Just last month, 18% of those visits to the ER were patients with respiratory illness symptoms. That's according to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services. Now here locally, the Guilford County Department of Health and Human Services says they are seeing the same trend. A Novant Health pediatrician I spoke to says the flu's hitting his patients hard. He's seen at least a third of his patients be diagnosed with the flu. And heads up parents, when it comes to the illnesses, there are two types that you need to know about.
There's different strains of the flu, and flu type A is what's circulating right now. So anyone is vulnerable to influenza, but right now what we're seeing when we test for the flu, we're seeing it's flu type A.
Now, because flu cases are high in our area, Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools posting this message to their website, urging parents of sick kids to keep them home. A High Point mother we spoke to shares how the rising cases has her a little concerned for her 11-year-old daughter.
Well, she gets sick a lot. She got flu A last year on Christmas. So, yeah, I took her to the hospital the day after Christmas. I had to take her to the ER because she had a fever of 105 in the middle of the night. And I freaked out. So I took her to the ER, and the doctor told me that they saw 10 other kids earlier that day with flu A. And that was last year. And now it's coming around again.
So here are some ways to prevent getting sick. Number one, wash your hands. If soap and water isn't available, hand sanitizer will work. To stay hydrated, make sure to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. And last, stay at home. This is the most important tip. If you're feeling like you're about to catch a cold, keep yourself and others safe by staying home.